Hello my crafty friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I am going to be doing another Dollar Tree haul today. If you didn't know, I decided that I was going to do 3 days of Dollar Tree hauls, and today is my last day. So I did on Tuesday, I loaded a haul with all of my household kind of knick-knack things. And then yesterday was kind of a crafter square goodie, all the crafter square stuff. And then today I'm doing one of like rub-ons and stickers. So it's pretty big. I've got quite a few here. I'm gonna try to run through it as quickly as possible so I can get through it pretty fast. So let's go ahead and jump in and see what I got. So the first thing I got, this from K & Company, some random thing just sitting there, and it was Halloween, and I like K & Company. It's basically like border die cuts. I'll open it real quick. This thing I'm sure this thing is very old. I like the packaging. But basically it's just little die cut borders. Look how cute the jack-o'-lanterns are. And it looks like there's 4 of them. And then caution tape. And then this one is like the words. Look at the cute little bats. So cute. And then the ghost. Oh my gosh, this ghost is so cute in the middle. And I love the spiders. So yeah. Okay, so I found some of these stickers. I've got a few of these from the last time they released this type. So I'm thinking this might be kind of like I've been doing in my planner kind of like month-long themes. This last month was summer fruits. So I did like a watermelon and a lemon and cherry and strawberry. So I'm thinking I might have enough of these to kind of make them all, you know, a month long. But I probably wait till next spring because they're very spring type stickers. But that would be kind of cute to do, kind of, and especially like use like black paper and stuff. That might be an idea. And then I can use a white pen. Might have to do that. So those 3 I got. I got some gem stone things, some hearts. I recently did some junk journal flip throughs, and one of the things that I used quite a bit were like flat back gems in a couple of different spots, and I really liked how they looked. So I decided to go ahead. I don't have any of these, specifically the heart ones, in my collection. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and pick those up if I see them. And I was glad that I did. I actually found some Heidi Swap stickers. I think I've seen a couple people haul these. I really like these. They're very like kind of old world, travel-y themed. I think they will work well in my kind of aesthetic. So there's 12 stickers, so it looks like it's just 2-sided, so it's both of those. I love the color schemes. I love this like teal and the pink, and yeah, so excited about those. And then I found kind of these like, I want to say I found kind of these they're metallic. I really liked this one. It's a little bit different than what I would have normally gone for, but specifically I liked the dream catcher. Kind of got a theme going with the dream catcher that I showed earlier. I love the owl. So I don't know, it's kind of got like a Tim Holtz vibe to me a little bit. And then this one I thought was really pretty. I loved the sun and the moon. And then the tree is so cute. I just love that tree. Yeah, I might actually use this in my rooted, my new junk journal that just came. And the bee is really cute too. So I kept looking at these and not really like, those aren't really my style. But then once I actually looked at each separate individual sticker, it's like, oh, I like that one. Oh, I like that one. So you kind of have to look at it individually. I do actually like the nature one too. And I do like the ladybug. So okay, so I did also pick up this stencil. I liked it. So I picked this up. We'll see if I ever actually use that. And then I did pick up this one as well for to dandelion spring one. So, and then I did pick up these two. I picked up a couple of these a couple weeks ago, and I really do like these because I like the size of them, and I love this one with the kind of cactus theme, the succulent theme. But sometimes it's just, sometimes you just want a little to-do sticker, and sometimes you just want, you know, these tiny little stickers. So I really liked this one. And then I like this one. It's a teacher theme, so it's the reason I got them basically is because of this sticker. It says plan ahead. I do really love these stickers across here, and I do love the pencils and the notebooks and the rulers. I mean, it says teacher rules, but you know, it's all right. Yeah, so I mean, this is a lot of like teacher stuff, like conference and report cards and PTA. But then I love the payday stickers. So I'm always looking for payday stickers in different colors to match my color theme. So yeah, there was enough in this set that I liked that I thought I'm going to pick that up. All right, and then I hit the rub-on jackpot. I was so excited to find all of these. I've been looking and looking and looking for these. I actually specifically wanted a couple of these. These are very Tim Holt to me. I just think these are great. Look at all the buttons. And then the little ladybug. Hey, that ladybug looks like that's not a ladybug, that's a beetle. And then there's like that bee that actually looks like an actual bee. It's kind of creepy. And then photographs. I don't know. This just totally gives me Tim Holtz vibes. So I bought two. They only had two. I would have bought more, but they only had two. And then I love this one, this kind of shabby chic one. Look at the little necklace charm and then the bird. I love the little package one. This is so stinking cute. I love these. I hope, I haven't really heard anybody say that they work good or not work good. I hope they work good. So I will see, because I'm going to use them. Love these ones. And I did buy 3 of these just because I felt like I could really utilize these in a lot of different ways. Just like accent pieces on different pages of my journals, add flower stickers to them. So yeah, I really love those too. And then I got a couple of these succulent cactus ones. I like that it has kind of the ones that aren't necessarily colored in. And then it's got the green ones. I don't know, I just really like these two. I'm so excited about that. So excited I found those. I was looking and looking and looking for those for a long time. All right. So I may have gone a little bit crazy with the wall stickers. But you know, it's kind of what I do. So I bought this one. This says use with pen and color pencils. So you can actually color these. I love these stickers. I think the size is perfect. I love the font. It's so whimsical and fun. I don't have any idea how I'm going to use them, but I will find a way. I will figure it out. And then I love these two. Again, I love the font. I love that you can color them in or leave them blank. I bought 4 of those because I like these. Okay. And then I bought this one that says think positive. And I bought 2 of those apparently. And this, a lot of times what I do, I actually needed one for this case. I like to put them on top of cases. So I think I'll put that think positive one on there. And then I think I'm going to give one to my sister because she needs to think positive. I don't know why I bought 2 of these. I don't think I wanted to buy 2, but I was so excited to find this one. I do have actually a laundry area in my house or my apartment, so I will be putting this somewhere in that laundry area. And then I thought this was just adorable. I have a succulent themed bathroom, and I have Dollar Tree succulent like wall hangings, like the little like 8x8 wall hangings. And I actually thought it would be kind of cute to potentially paint over those and then put these on there kind of in the middle of each of them to make different types of wall hangings when I'm kind of sick of the my current thing. And then I was kind of almost thinking about also putting them on the mirror, because I have like a full mirror like for my sink and my toilet are. So I don't know. That's why I bought 2 of them, because I wasn't quite sure how I wanted to use them. Okay, I was super excited to find these, the butterfly stickers. I have seen people hauling these, and I'm like, I have to have those. So now I do, and they only had 1, or I would have bought more. And it's literally and I thought it was going to be like I thought these were going to be like the butterfly die cuts that everyone was hauling, and I actually got some from a friend of mine. She mailed them to me, because I could not find them anywhere. In any of the stores I went to around my area, even down south a little bit from me, couldn't find them anywhere. Still to this day, I have not ever found them, ever. In any store I've ever been to, I've never found the die cut butterflies. So I do have them because somebody sent them to me, thankfully. And then I found this one. So I'm like, laundry room. How many stickers can I fit in my laundry room? So I don't know. I just thought this was adorable. That is so me in a nutshell when it comes to laundry. Airing my dirty laundry. See what I did there? Yeah. Okay. And then I found this one, and I thought this was cute too. So I bought this one. Oh, I got 2 of those. Okay. And then I found this one. I'm so excited about this. Look how cute this is. For like a fairy themed journal, or I know it's super long, like I wouldn't be able to fit the whole thing in, but I really think it would make a really cool impact on a piece of like one of my journal spreads. Look at them all. And then I like the little pieces to them. Love that. And then this one, I bought 2 of these because I just thought these were just adorable. Look at the fox and the deer and the bear. Look how cute they are. And I don't know. Again, no idea what I'm going to do with them. Look at the mushrooms. I don't have any idea. Don't know. Pine cones. So cute. This looks more fall to me, so I'll probably keep them. Ooh, yellow jackets. Oh, I'll probably keep it for the fall. The owl. Look how cute the owls are. So cute. And then I bought this one as well because I was debating on whether or not to put the Think Positive or this one on that one case I just showed you. So, yeah, so those were all the stickers that I purchased at the Dollar Tree, and there was a lot, but thank you guys for sticking around and watching this video. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and check out my other 2 that I just loaded earlier this week, and I hope that you guys have a fabulous week, and I will see you tomorrow for my final top 10 of 5. You get to see which junk journals I picked out of the collections that I've been doing. So I hope that you guys enjoyed these videos, and I'll see you again real soon. Bye for now.